In today's video, we are going to be learning how to use Groqlab's AI to create micro applications. Groqlab AI is a very powerful open source application for building micro applications. So to get started with Groqlab's AI, kindly navigate to your browser and type appgen.groqlabs.com, or go to your browser and you can go to your Google search bar, search for Groqlab's appgen. Okay, search for Groqlab's appgen, and it's going to take you to this search bar. Check the GitHub repository and it will take you there. Once you get to the GitHub repository, you see the link by the right hand side. Click on the link by the right hand side. It will take you to the Groqlab's homepage. So we are in the homepage. This is the homepage we have before. So I'm going to close one of it. Now we are going to use one of the, as you can see from the Groqlab's homepage, there are a lot of templates built in for us to use with Groqlab's. There are diverse templates like the charts, to-do list, to-do template, and also the games. Also, I've got projects that were done by community members, which you can choose from. So you have a variety of options to choose from. So we're going to go back and start with the templates. So as you can see here, we have various templates. We are going to start with one of the templates here. And the first template we start with the quiz template. So we see this is the quiz template, and very far, Groqlab is that pass. So you say, what is the capital of France? I will choose Paris. It's saying, what's the capital of France? Choose Paris. For it, you can see what is the largest planet in the solar system? That's Jupiter. So as you can see, if you pick it, it will show you for it. So that is it. That is the example of template. Let's check out another template again. We click on the new button, takes you back to the template page. Let's go for another template. You can see it in our template board. You have various template, and this time around, I'm going to play on the new one, and you can see it's open for us. Let's put the title. Let's say New Year Resolution. That is our title. And so let's build, maybe say build an AI app. Let's say we want to build an AI app in the new year. So that's our resolution. We can click submit. And it's great. You can see by the left hand side, it has been recorded. So that's how easy it is. Finally, let's go back. So we are back to the home page. We are going to put in our own custom prompts. And I've created a prompt. I'm just going to paste it in to save our time. And the prompt is about a Pomodoro timer, which can help users to take input and also to break figures. So let's generate it. Okay. Wonderful. So this is it. Our app has been generated. So we have the stop and start button. Let's click on start. And as you see, it starts immediately. So we can also stop the app. We can click on the setting here to set the task time, the duration from the time, and also to set the break time. So let's start it again. We start it again. Select 20 minutes. And that is that for that. Very important. So we can also customize it, add additional prompts for Groqlabs to help us with additional prompts. So let's say we are going to put additional prompts. You can say improve the user input color. So it's going to input the color so that we can see what we are typing. If you recall, we are not seeing it because of the color. So now you can see the background. The color has blended with the background. So we can type our time on the break period, 3 minutes break period. If I start in, okay, you can do 30 minutes tap period and 3 minute break period. Finally, we are going to tell Groqlab to add a sound at the end of the task period so that the user will be alerted that the task has been concluded. So we're going to type in the prompt and we'll tell Groqlab to do that for us. So we are going to click add edits, apply edits rather, and also we're going to add another time. For us to get the time on time, we are going to set it to 2 minutes so that we can get it in and we'll not waste our time, and also 1 minute for the break period. So we can set the time and let's start the timer again. Click on the start button. As you can see, it has started from 2 seconds, going to count down. So we are going to wait till it reaches 1 second. I'll come back. So we have like about 2 seconds left. So as you can hear, that's how AI works. Thank you for joining me on this episode. See you in the next video. Thank you.